That's an indication that this blade is very out of balance and there's a tremendously larger amount of weight on this side than this. And here we have the Mag 1000 blade balancer. Again, with its magnetic chuck, an accurate slide, we can balance a blade. First, we locate the hole onto the cone so that we're in the concentric center point. I'm going to pull the magnet forward with my fingers. And then here the first operation is to check if the blade is straight. So I'm going to touch this gauge rod off near the tip and then compare the other end of that blade to see if the blade is straight. And if you would have a gap in here, you would know that the blade is bent or the two tips are not in the same plane. Here now, if I let go, the heavy end rotates to 6 o'clock, and you can see that it happened very quickly. That's an indication that this blade is very out of balance and there's a tremendously larger amount of weight on this side than this. We would need to grind more off of this side of the blade to get the blade to sit horizontal, relatively horizontal, or keep in mind if it moves extremely slowly, that would also be adequate because of the accuracy of our balancer. If you would have a blade that would take 6 or 7 seconds to get to 6 o'clock, that blade would still be within tolerance and usable. But when you see a blade drop in 4 seconds or less, that is a lot of weight that really needs to be corrected because that will produce detrimental vibration to the machine.